Hey there! Is your Sony TV stuck in demo mode, turning your living room into a showroom? You're not alone. Many Sony TV owners find themselves asking how to fix Sony TV demo mode. Whether it's displaying brand messages or reset settings after every power cycle, demo mode can be a frustrating obstacle, especially when all you want is to relax and watch your favorite shows. But don't fret. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to undo that unwanted feature so you can get back to enjoying your TV to its fullest capacity. Step 1. Access the home screen. The first step to solving the demo mode dilemma is accessing your TV's home screen. Start by picking up your Sony remote and pressing the home button. This should bring up the main navigation menu on your screen. If your TV is truly stubborn and keeps reverting back to demo screens, you might need to do this a couple times or shortly after switching on the TV. Step 2. Navigate to the settings menu. Once you've successfully reached the home screen, navigate to the settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon in the top right corner. Use your remote to scroll over and click to enter the settings section. Depending on your TV's model, this menu might appear a little differently, but most elements should be similarly labeled. Step 3. Find and disable demo mode. After entering the settings menu, look for the section labeled Preferences or System Settings. Within this section, search for an option relating to retail mode or demo mode. Sony TVs often house this feature under these labels. Once located, click on it and ensure that it's set to off or home mode. Ensure that you save your changes to prevent the TV from reverting to previous settings. Step 4. Perform a factory reset as a last resort. If your TV is still not cooperating, a factory reset might be necessary, but be cautious as this will erase all of your custom settings and return the TV to its original factory state. To do this, go back to the settings menu. Select System Settings and look for the Factory Reset or Initial Setup option. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. This should remove demo mode at the cost of needing to reset your personal configurations. Step 5. Consult the Sony support team. Sometimes, even after following all these steps, demo mode might persist due to a particular glitch or malfunction. If your TV is still acting up, it could be beneficial to consult the Sony support team. Their professionals are equipped to handle intricate issues and can offer advice tailored to your specific TV model. Now that you know how to fix Sony TV demo mode, it doesn't have to be a source of frustration. By following these simple steps, you can switch your TV back to its normal settings and enjoy uninterrupted viewing. Always remember, if you feel unsure at any step, check your model's user manual or reach out to Sony support for that extra peace of mind. Enjoy your newly freed up screen time and happy watching.